What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here today in the garage, just cleaning this RZR up after we abused it a little bit. If you didn't check that out, check it out on the previous video here. Put a link up and maybe have one down in the description. We took it down some old beaten trails that the storm had knocked over a lot of trees, and took us some serious work to get it down. Plus there's a little bit of footage from an event with a couple more guys who went mudding earlier in the year. So what we're doing today is we're going to look into actually getting this thing back up at a full boost, which we're talking like 11, 12 PSI, 150 horsepower RZR. What we needed to do to get this to happen was we were waiting on a fuel pump and injectors. So what we did is, I believe we just ordered the 2019 or 2020 or whatever, the newest injectors and fuel pump replacement from Quantum Fuel Systems here, and the direct Polaris injectors. So that should allow us more fuel flow, enough to get up to the necessary PSI for this 2011 XP900 to make 150 horsepower hopefully. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna hopefully get this thing together in the next couple days here, get it out tuned, and have a lot of fun with it before a lot of snow flies. We've got just a little bit on the ground right now. So yeah, keep watching. All right, guys, we've got the pump hanger out of the tank. We got to change the pump out in there, and there's a new filter and all this fun stuff. We've also got the fuel rail out, and as you can see there, that's the old injector and that's the new injector. So there are some slight differences, but the clips do work. It does fit in the fuel rail, and it does fit within the injector hole, and I guess that would be the throttle body or something over there in there. So other than that, they do have different plugs, so we're gonna have to find the wiring harness for the 2020 RZR as well to make these work. So a little bit more time. You have to order those in to make it work, unless we figure out how to wire it, but I'd rather just get the plugs so everything is right and proper. So stay tuned, guys, and hopefully we at least get the fuel pump in and maybe make a little bit of difference. Bump it from 4 PSI maybe to 6 or 7, and we'll see. All right, guys. So with our MXC kit here, or MCX kit, on their intake came with an injector. It does have the right plug for us. So we can get one, but we just need to find another plug still. Oh my God, nothing but trouble so far, guys. So we're trying to do this. We're trying to get some content with it. Hopefully within a week we figure this out. You know, hopefully that wiring harness isn't impossible to find and it doesn't take forever to get here. So keep watching it. What's up, guys? So we've got everything installed, fuel pump, injectors. It's all ready to go, besides we need some pigtails. Basically, we pressure tested everything, it doesn't leak, it's all ready to go. So we gotta wait for these to come in, or maybe we'll go to the junkyard and find them somewhere, or maybe we have some laying around here. But that's where we're stuck right now. So just to keep you guys updated, 150 horsepower is coming. It's like a week away, maybe at most. We'll see. Stay tuned, guys. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the garage. It's the next day. We went and saw our buddy Kevin up the road. Shout out to Kevin. Demolition Derby master, destroyer of Toyotas. He hooked us up with a plug from a Toyota truck, I believe. a cold start injector plug, which works, and we're going to harvest our plug here for our third injector, which doesn't work. So we're going to have full 11 psi of boost here, so stay tuned. We're going to go do some tuning. We're going to take it out of rip. We're going to send it, guys. So just wait. It's going to happen. There, we had to modify a plug to make it fit, but it's in there. They're both installed. So this is going to be the first start with the 2020 fuel pump and injectors. So that's taking our fuel pressure up from somewhere around 42 to 45 psi up to like 55, 56 psi with the pump and regulator. With the pump offers more flow as well. We also got the 2020 injectors in there, which take us from 200 gram injectors up to like 580 or 560 injectors or something like that. So this is just on the tune that we had it on before, so it might be a little bit of a rough start, but this is going to be the first start with it. Hopefully it goes well. Watch and see. Almost. Just rich. Oh, buddy. So I think it's working. Rich. Just rich. So we gotta go get the laptop. Alright guys, so it did fire, it did run. It's running like an 8 to 1. So it's just running rich. I'm gonna have to go look at the laptop and try and pull some fuel out. See what we can do here. Hopefully we can pull enough out that it'll actually idle. If not, we'll figure something out, I guess. Figure out a way to get a little more air in there. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Well, guys, it seems that we've been defeated so far today. Our injectors are just too large. They gotta be. We keep drowning out our spark and only running on one cylinder for some reason, so there's no reason for that. We're gonna maybe try and put the factory injectors back in there, see if we can get it running properly again. Then we just know it was these injectors causing, too much fuel, flooding everything out. But there is 325s that we can go to, so we went 200 to 580 or something, so we'll go to 325 in the middle. Maybe see if we can get it to run nice on that, if it runs again on the factory injectors. So, I hate to say it, this will probably be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember, comment, like, subscribe, it all helps out. And stay tuned for when we do get the 325 injectors, and we'll turn it up to 11. As it is, we'll already have the increased fuel pressure and fuel pump in it, so when we put the factory injectors back in, they won't be 200, they'll probably be 250, something like that. So we may be able to turn it up just a little bit, maybe 5-6 psi, we'll see. Right, so stay tuned, guys, keep watching, thanks again, have a good one.